Another great morning. I am working out right now, and it's actually not morning. So what's up today? It's windy out. I have to get a few things at the store for our Easter get together tomorrow. It's windy out again, and I'm tired of dealing with the effects of the wind, both with the swimming pool and with my breathing. I don't know if you can see. How wide my nose is right here. And that's basically from chronic sinusitis, as well as how swollen it is in here. You can really see it on this side. Yeah, not fun to be out of breath and all that good stuff. That's for sure. Yeah, let's check out that wind, shall we? There's one of the cats. There's one of the kitties right there. And the other one's over here. So next week is yard sale. This is what I have out in the living room right now. Just all kinds of things. Housewares or whatever they're called. Some shoes. If you know anybody that's wears female size 11 shoes. I've got a lot of really cute pairs that I can't wear anymore, and a lot of extra large clothes, some even large, some 3X. It kind of represents my journey. So honestly, one of the things I've been doing as far as the yard sale is telling myself that I have to fill a box. I have to fill a box with books right now. This is not going to be too painful, but it's still going to be hard. I have to admit, I do love a good book in paper. And trust me, I've got all kinds of audiobooks and ebooks. But I do love a good paper book, as you can see. As you can see. And that doesn't even begin to cover it. This is where I will most likely be getting that box full of books from. Oh yes, especially because I guess I could also put DVDs in there. It also shares space with the mop and oftentimes the broom as well. But yes, okay, realizing there's also DVDs in here makes it a little easier. So right off the bat, I'm seeing stuff that I don't want to give away. I don't want to give some of this stuff away. But I mean, or get rid of, but if it doesn't sell, it's getting given away. So, what about this one? I don't think I've ever read it, and if I wanted to, I could probably get it digital. That's a start. Same with this. I'm realizing I bought this because somebody recommended it. I'm already figuring out I need two piles, one for my RSS inmate staff, because I think they would be interested in these two, and then one for the yard sale. So I'm finding that the DVDs have already been cleaned out. I already got rid of the ones that I don't want to keep. So that narrows it back down to books. And this would be books I don't want to give to clients or inmates. So we'll see. Yeah, that was kind of a bust. I found this book, but it might not be mine to get rid of. This one, but yeah, could definitely go. It's pretty hokey. And this one, I've never really been into these kind of, I shouldn't say never, but for many years I've not been into these kind of books. And, well, yeah. So this many. I had forgotten that I already got rid of DVDs and books galore that I don't want anymore. So maybe I just need to fill that box. I'll look under my sink. I just remembered I've got a whole closet, well, not a whole closet, whole bookcase in a closet full of stuff. So first of all, there might be some stuff like winter coat stuff that I want to get rid of. I'm not sure. But these games, yes. I feel like this one we're clearly not interested in. Had it for years and it hasn't even been opened. So definitely that one could go. This is a 3D helmet puzzle that I didn't even know we had. As well as a Ouija board and a Monopoly game. This game I need to keep because it's a family classic. This is a mandala puzzle. I mean, once you put together a puzzle, if you don't glue it together, you're probably done. I'm thinking if we're not going to use it, oh, well, we'll just look at that. More Easter stuff. This is one of those pink balls. And I bought it, and then I ended up inheriting a blue one. So now I have a blue ball. Haha. Well, now we're digging into territory of stuff that's not mine. Okay, this looks like the same thing as this. Both of which we never play with, but We did enjoy this game, but we've answered all the questions on it, so this is a pretty good pile. The other stuff I am kind of hesitant to get rid of because it might not belong to me. Might still be stuff that'll get used, although I don't think we need 2 copies of a Ticket to Ride game. So, okay, so I did pretty much fill that up with books, just also a couple of games, puzzle type things. And look who else we're selling at the yard sale. Do I hear 1 cent? 1 cent. How about half a peso? A brass farthing, have ye? Oh well. And the Chewy box came for the kitties. And so another rule I have right now is anytime a box comes in the house, I have to fill it with stuff for the yard sale. One would think that I could get rid of one of these, but they both look different and both adorable. I think we're keeping these. And this, it turns out, is not even games. There were some cards in here, but otherwise it's tools and things that I might either sell or could put to use in the house. So this is a score, definitely. I definitely feel like it's time to go ahead and post this, and I'll do an update on the yard sale later.